My dearest, love thank you for always being there for me in all round, both in growth. I really appreciate. Please, I have an ongoing project for the orphanage whom I really wish for your support, my friends and well wisher to support me in your own little ways. Thank you and may Allah bless you. Before I did not believe that a person can bring so much meaning and happiness to another person's life. I meet you when I felt empathy. Slowly, I realized you are my blessing from up above. You are an angel sent to bring color back to my life. Honey, I am thinking about you always. I know you are seeing everything I have been talking about you. If you are seeing it, reply with I love you for me to know that you are seeing everything I am talking about you, and I miss you so much, my heart.